Welcome to our YouTube video on Kaikaku. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what Kaikaku means in lean management. Shortly, what is the definition? Kaikaku is a Japanese term that means radical change or revolutionary improvement. In lean management, it refers to making bold, large-scale changes to processes or systems to achieve significant performance improvements in a short time. Think of Kaikaku like renovating an entire factory at once, not just small tweaks, but a complete transformation to boost efficiency. So, why is Kaikaku so important? Because it helps organizations respond quickly to major challenges, embrace innovation, and gain competitive advantage. While Kaizen focuses on small continuous improvements, Kaikaku delivers breakthrough changes. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.